Hey everyone, welcome to Parenting Parrots. I'm Mixie Casanova and I'm joined here with Kodak. We are just having some, I guess it's playtime. I don't know. It's early in the morning and he's come out and decided this is what he wants to do. So I'm doing with him. If you guys can see his eyes here and around his mouth, you can see the little black specks. It's because he's been going out into the sun, and when black lories don't get exposure to the sun, their eyes stay around the eyes and the mouth stays white, but once they get exposure to the sun, it turns black. So his is turning black, and I'm excited about that. This is one of the reasons why natural sunlight is better than UV light, because even having a UV light on him, it wouldn't do this. Come. Even having a UV light on him wouldn't cause his eyes to turn black. So that's an example of how UV lighting isn't exactly like natural sunlight, because if it was, then his eyes should turn black under the UV light. Something to take in consideration if you guys have parrots. Uh-oh, who's on their back? Who's on their back? Do you see his tail? Beautiful. And you can kind of see the purple, I think. Oh wait, maybe I turn. No, he doesn't like the light, so I can't put the light on. If I put the light on, he might bite me. So something to know about lories, they do play with their, when they play a lot with their beak. What I do with him is if he gets too aggressive, which can happen when he gets really, really excited. Don't mind my colorful pajama pants. Come here. What can happen if they get really excited is that they could end up biting you instead of, they could end up biting hard. And so with him, when he does it, I just tell him gentle, gentle, and then I remove my hand. Wait a few, and then go back to playing. Right, boo-boo? And this is basically how I play with my Black Lory. Gentle, see, and then flip them over. There we go. That one didn't really hurt, but I thought I would just show you guys an example. Uh-oh, careful. Kodak, Kodak, say hi.
Which shows 3? Which shows 2?
Which shows 1?
Which shows 1? Which shows 3?
This is my love, guys. I just love him.
Which shows 1?
1.
Which shows 2?
You don't have 2 back.
What are you doing? Are you gonna go back on your back? You gonna go back on your back? Gentle. Thank you.
Which shows 1?
Good boy.
Which shows 2?
And that's it, guys. This is how you guys can play with a Black Lory.
But Mom, you can hear my
Yes, I can.
Yeah, I'm doing my
I just love him.
I'm doing my eyes out.
Oh, sorry, Baba.
Why is your laptop on the edge?
Because I'm using it.
So I'm using it.
Which shows 3?
Look at that beautiful, beautiful coloring.
Which shows 2?
Alright guys, please remember that parenting parrots is not about being a pet owner, but it's about being a parent to a toddler in parrot form. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.
Shows 2.
Kodak, 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 Kodak. Say bye-bye. You guys see that black? I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. He can't talk yet, but he's learning.